Okay, good morning, everyone. Okay. I hope that you got a good morning. Okay. The weather is getting cold, okay, so please bring a coat with you to school if necessary. Okay. All right. I think that believe the first homework was due yesterday, and then I just checked a moment ago. I think most of you have submitted homework already. But then for those of you who have submitted earlier than yesterday, I have graded already. So here are some things that I would like to share with you. All right, things to avoid. Number one, again, never hardcode your file. Your file. Could be an image file, like the dice, or audio file, video file, or text file, or getting started. Never hardcode the file path. You say, what do you mean file path? Like, never do write a code like this. C drive uses Jando, JavaGUI, Apple.jpg. Why? Because I mean, when I test your program, when your client tests your program, when your supervisor tests your program, there is no way, highly likely, the person is not going to have a path or folder name called Jando, MLQ. So the program will crash. And then again, you say, well, I mean, the client is going to call you. No way. Client is very busy. The person who pay you money, they expect that when they run your program, they expect it to run it right away, immediately, without any problem. They are not going to call you. They will complain to your boss. And then in that case, I don't know how long you will be able to keep your job if these things keep happening. Okay, so again, number one, theoretically, it's supposed not to happen in this course because when I taught CS1, programming one, I always emphasize don't hardcode your bypass, don't hardcode your bypass. And this is a 2011 course, supposedly not to happen, but still happen. But then again, I don't know. I don't know why it happened. Number two, zip, or if you are using some IDE to develop your project, remember to zip everything, zip all the files, zip all the folders, and submit it. I think most of you have done a good job if you are using IDE. The third one, I remember that all right, third one, this is a very basic course, in my point of view. So whatever code you are writing, use the Java syntax covered from the book. And also use syntax covered from the book. I mean, when I grade some of your homework, I look at it, their syntax never happened in the textbook. So it means that you got it from a third-party source. And also you got it from the internet. Or you say, well, I'm an advanced user. Sure, if you are an advanced user, you're supposed not to have problem using syntax from the textbook. So again, use in the future, use Java syntax only covered from our textbook. Again, unless I give you permission to do that, otherwise only use syntax covered from the textbook, because for all the homework you'll be doing, the syntax from the textbook is good enough. You really don't need to get it from some third party. All right. So again, our first one is got a little bit surprised that students should still have this hardcode bypass issue supposed not to happen. All right. So let's get back to our new topic. So this is the topic. This is the topic. This is a topic we have covered already. So again, we have learned about different type of layout containers, such as H box, get vertical box, get, and also get stack pan, get, and also get the grid pan, right? And then last time, get, we also covered the border pan. Get border pan has 5 regions. Get top, center, bottom, left, right, and I've given you get example like using, let's say, Microsoft Word, right? If we are using Microsoft Word, okay, then you can see this is an typical example. Okay, the top one, right? You can think of top one contain all those menus, get buttons. The button ones get user well. Then how about the button one? Status bar, right? Okay, this is the button one. This is the center. Okay, this is the left region. But you say, where is the right region? Okay, sure. Okay, how about this? Okay, maybe just pick one. Boom. Okay, right region showed up. The top, center, button, left, right. Okay, so again, this is a very typical container that you can use here at the different occasions to meet different needs. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so I have covered the slide already. Okay, so this is just a review. Okay, you can call different constructors, pass in different controls if necessary. Yeah. All right. Okay, so this is a new topic. Okay. The one over here talks about the so-called observable list. Okay. Interface. So again, think of the observable list. When you think about a list, you can relate it to array. Okay. So again, theoretically, the instructor in CS1 should have covered array already. Okay. Yeah. So okay, the observable list, okay, again, similar to an array, okay, is widely used in JavaFX. And then learning a few basic observable operations give you more control over the JavaFX containers with which you will be working. Here is a very simple example. I believe that you all have from homework 1, you all have done this H box, or maybe vertical box. And then call the get children, and then call the method such as add, and then add control to the container, right? So the get children method when it's called, actually it returns the observable list. Okay? Or if you want to think of it, is like it returns an array. Okay, yeah, it returns an array data type. And since it's an array, which means that definitely you can add element into an array. You can delete element into an array, but then the list is more flexible. The observable list is more flexible. It allows you to add tons of elements into it without specifying the size. Okay, yeah. So array again, array is kind of fixed size type data structure, but list is very flexible. Okay, it can grow, the size, it can shrink the size. Yeah. And then how about methods related to the observable list? So again, think of the list. So you can call a method like add, just add one item, but then you can also call the add all if you have tons of items to add. Like the previous slide shows that, hey, maybe I wanted to add level 1, level 2, level 3. I mean more than one item. Sure, then you can use the add all. But then there are times that maybe you have to clear, right? You have to clear all the items in the container. Then you can call the clear method, and you will remove all of the items from the list. So again, you say, well, under what occasions that you would like to call this method? Well, if you kind of create a shopping cart type application, then you got to allow customers to add shopping items into the container. But then at the same time, once the order has been submitted, then definitely you want to clear everything in the shopping cart. Right? So that is one example. Or maybe customers change their mind, then they want to clear everything, delete all the selected items. Then sure, I mean by calling the clear, then you will remove all the items from the list. And then also in case that maybe you just want to remove one item, then there's a method called remove, and then you can pass in the item in there. Okay, yeah. Then you will remove the object specified by item. Okay, maybe you can just want to remove. Okay, maybe label 2. Then you pass in label 2. Okay, a reference object to it. Okay. Or maybe you want to remove all, remove all, but then this one versus this clear all means that for clear all, if you have, let's say, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 in there, and then when you call the clear, then boom, all the items in the list will be gone. But remove all, no, I mean, it allows you to pass in certain items. Maybe you pass in label 1 and label 3. So in that case, when the method got executed, only label 1 and label 3 got removed. Label 2 will still get in the list. So again, there are occasions you might want to use this method. Set all clears the current content of the list and add the all of the items get specified by the variable argument list. So again, set all means that hey, maybe you want to add let's say label 5 and label 6, but then you want to remove label 1, label 2, label 3, label 4 about you. So in that case, you can just call set all, set all. You don't need to call clear first and then add all, add label 5, label 6 to it. No, it becomes kind of 2 statements. But then by using this set all, just 1 statement will be easier. Size allow you to find out how many items are in the list. So again, you will return the number of items in the list. And then next one. Oh, by the way, over here, the author mentioned about this method is inherited from the collection interface. So again, think of collection it's like an array or a list. So it's just the kind of the class name. Okay, so again, layout containers keep their children nodes in an observable list. So think of the list as an array. All layout containers have a method named getChildren. They will return their observable list of nodes. And then again, you can also think of the observable list like an array list if you want to, with many methods to use. And here will be just one example. So you can call the containers getChildren, and then you will return the list of nodes. And you can call either remove or add all or add or clear. Depends on your needs. And then here will be just one example. So again, this one, the code sample here we declare 3 labels, and then one HBox container. Then when we want to add all 3 labels into it, then we can call the getChildren method. Then add all, and then add all the 3 labels to it. All right. So let me see. I got some sample code over here. So observable list demo. So let me do a quick demo here. There you go. In the week. So over here, let's see. Let me comment and get those pulled out. Okay, so I have level 1, level 2, level 3. I have one HBox and then set, I believe, the kind of the padding 10 pixels between the controls. Then I call the get children, get the observable list, and then I wanted to call the add all method to add all the 3 labels to it. To is padding maybe later. All right, so let me run the code again. Yeah, so you can see that I got label 1, label 2, label 3. Okay, yeah, and then I can also let's see. Yeah, I can also add some buttons to it if I want to. Oops, sorry. Then now, let's see. Add the 3 buttons as well. All right, so you can see that I should set the width longer. Give me a minute. You can see that I have level 1, level 2, button 1, button 2, button 3. Yeah. But then a moment ago, we have looked at the different methods such as remove and then assume that before I remove it, let me take a screenshot of the previous one and make a comparison. Okay. Close this one and then let me remove just label 2. Okay, yeah. So this is the screenshot of the previous code before modification. Label 2 is there, all right? So now, let's see. If I just want to remove label 2 control, yeah, so let's see what it might look like. There we go. So you can see that label 2, right? Remove. So now we have only 1 and 3. That's it. Okay, yeah. So again, depends on your needs. Okay, yeah. And maybe you want to remove. Sorry. Want to remove 1. Yeah. 1 and 2. Okay, yeah. So we can use remove all. Yeah. So let me see screenshot. Yeah, so again, you can see that the statement here remove all, but all means that the one put into the one in the parameter list. So in this case, it will be level 1 and level 2, level 1 and 2. Now they are gone. Yeah. So let's see. Like clear method here. Oh, yeah. You can play with the clear method, okay? Yeah, so you will clear everything. Okay, yeah. All right. So for me again, I'm not a smart guy. Okay, so when I learn about those controls, I'm serious. I type all the code. I type all the code. I type all the code. That's why I have all those simple code. Because I try. I type all the code. I try some of the methods. So it will help me understand how those methods work. Yeah. I again encourage you to do so. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So yeah, we have tried some already. And then again, feel free to play with some of the methods. Okay. Yeah. All right. I think that concludes our study about chapter 12. Okay. Yeah. Chapter 12. Okay. So let me close this one. Okay. Yeah. Let's start the recording. Okay. And then record a new chapter.